Magandang hapon po ng December 16, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng December 16, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 16, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 16, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 500 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 9.5 million pesos for December 16, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 16, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.